Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. This video is very important for all of you because in this video I'm going to talk about rank versus the tuition fee, rank versus budget for all the candidates starting from rank 1 until just qualifying. So I have segregated here in 4 parts. Okay, we'll talk in detail. Okay, and all such things: open state, high budget open state, low budget open state, and for each and every branch what would be the budget and all. Okay, so before we start, if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe it, and you can also think about availing our paid counseling guidance. For that, you can call us on 9319128677. In this video, you will able to know what should be your counseling approach and where you should focus. It is seen that candidates are focusing more and putting more effort where they have less chance, and wherever they have having more chance, they keep it in secondary option. For example, even if you don't have chance to get deemed universities, since the budget is high and you don't have that much budget, but still you will do so much of put so much of effort analysis, but still it will go in vain. But at the same time, where you have more chances from open state counseling, you focus it less. You have to be realistic. It's not like if you're putting so much budget, then you have to get the top colleges. It depends on your rank also. There are many analogies that I'm putting so much of tuition fee, so I should be able to get good college. It depends on your rank. If your rank is not so good, mediocre or under average, then you definitely have to compromise with the quality of college if you're targeting the top clinical branches. And if you don't understand this point, because this is very natural and real point, then you will fail to get the subjects or the colleges by end of the counseling. So you have to know that where you stand and what are the options in your budget. Otherwise you go for next year, because the time has come when you have to take decision. The first round choice filling is almost done for all India DNB deemed universities, diploma and government colleges. Now first round choice filling is going on for MP, and for other state it will start. And after the first round, more than 50% seats will be over, more than 60%. Okay, then you will have to fight on the leftover seats from round 2. So your good options will be left. So you have to target the counseling from round 1. If your score is mediocre and you're qualified, you don't think that you will target from mop-up round. It's very good, very bad concept. So you can also avail our guidance, and you can download our application. You can also visit NEET Mentor portal, www.neetmentor.co.in, and you can get the access of the portal to know about last year details and the current counseling details. There are some important low budget states like Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and which are in southern part of India, and in northern part Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, where the tuition fee is around 6 lakhs in Punjab, okay, 15 lakhs in some college, Adesh. In Karnataka 11.5, in Andhra Pradesh 8.6 currently, which may increase up to 15 lakhs. In Telangana currently is 14.5. As per the court order, is reduced from 23 to 14.5. In Haryana is 15 for 2 colleges. In Madhya Pradesh around 10 to 14. Other open states which are more important for those candidates who got mediocre score. Uttar Pradesh, the registration will start from 26th. Chhattisgarh, the registration going on. Bihar state, tomorrow the registration will close. Rajasthan state, today the registration will close. Pondicherry, the registration has closed already, and Tamil Nadu registration is closed already. They have the tuition fee for different branches will be different, starting from 20 to it may go up to 70 for radio like branches. For general medicine, somewhere is 40, 25, 45, 38, like that. Now let's take a look at what are the possibilities, okay, and what will be the budget in case you rank up to 25k. So for radio like branches, you can expect government colleges if your rank is on the upper side, like up to 4-5,000 government college, or you can expect diploma up to 15 to 18,000, and then you can go for private colleges. You can get private college in the budget of if your rank is 25,000, then in budget of 20 to 25 minimum you can get through open state counseling. I'm not detailing it out which are the open state counseling because it will be very lengthy video. For general medicine you can expect government DNB, okay, and in private the budget would be 15 to 25 lakhs minimum, and it can be any institute. Means if you come from southern part of India and you may need to travel for the low budget to the northern part and to get a confirmed seat. How to proceed with that, how to do the counseling, you can contact us. Pediatrics you can get government DNB, or in private the budget will be 15 to 25. 15 in 15 you can get in some of the low budget open state. In OBGY still again is 12 to 15 lakhs in this rank. For respiratory medicine and ortho is 12 to 15 lakhs. For general surgery up to 12 lakhs you can get for sure. And for other opthal ENT psychiatry anesthesia you can get government medical colleges if you fight up to mock-up round or diploma. Now coming to the bucket where more candidates will be landing and their strategy will be more difficult and should have more analysis, and they will be getting lesser options between 25 to 45,000 rank. For radio you need to have budget between 25 to 45 lakhs, and you can target open states. I'll tell you few open states which will be important in this rank, like Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu, the southern part. In the northern India, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Rajasthan, Haryana. But you don't have to do registration for all the states because they will be asking 2 lakhs. Not all the states, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Haryana, and Tamil Nadu. So these states will ask 2 lakhs. So you don't have to do registration everywhere. You have to confine your zone, like where you are hitting the target and which is most expected, keeping the backup option also. In pediatrics, by mistake I typed government. You can't get the government or DNB. You in private you can get, but budget can be between 15 to 25 per year. OBGY also is 12 lakhs to 20 lakhs. For respiratory medicine in open state 12 lakhs to 20 lakhs. General surgery up to 12 lakhs you can get the seat. And for other lower clinical branches, opthal ENT psychiatric anesthesia is 12 lakhs minimum. Wherever you see in this slide government DNB is by mistake, you just ignore it. And now coming to the rank zone where it's more difficult to get the seat, 45 to 60,000, but it's not impossible. You have to just keep your budget matching with the tuition fee of the colleges. In case you want radio and dermatology, the budget will be around 40 to 50 per year, okay, but there will be few states where you can get the seat, and you have to keep backup option also in case you don't get it. General medicine, for radio and dermatology you can keep general medicine in backup. General medicine you can get in 28 to 40 lakhs budget. These 3 branches will be very critical in this range. Pediatrics you can get comfortably between 25 to 35, but you have to focus like which states you need to target. Obs and gynae you can get between 25 to 40 lakhs per year. You have to also see like the colleges where the last year tuition fee was X, this year how much increment they have done, or there is no increment. Respiratory medicine you can get it comfortably between 20 to 30 lakhs. General surgery between 20 to 25 lakhs, and for other clinical 12 to 20 lakhs. Now coming to the zone where it's more difficult to get the seats, just qualifying 60,000 to just qualifying. For radio and dermatology you need to have huge budget, 70 to 80 lakhs minimum, then you can get the seat. In case of general medicine is 50 to 60 lakhs per year, and pediatrics 40 to 45. For obs and gynae 40 to 45. You can target NRI quota seats, or like Q quota seats in Karnataka, or like high budget colleges in Rajasthan, uh, in Bihar, Chhattisgarh, like that. Respiratory medicine is 35 to 40, general surgery 25 to 35, and other lower clinical biology 20 to 25. You can expect a seat. In ophthalmology you need to pay little higher, okay, maybe up to 40, depending on the colleges. So this is like roughly based on our analysis and experience I shared you. That's what is going to happen, and you have to keep. There are two things you need to fix: one, branch, other, location, and third thing is most important, budget. In case your rank is not good, okay, or if it's not matching, then you try, and at the same side you need to prepare so that next time you can get better rank and you can get the benefit. So this is all from my side. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.